Right everybody, so yeah, Mike from Usually Broken Cars. I'm here with AJ in the back, he's hiding back there, and then Sam as well. It's on. Yep. Yeah, cool. Okay, Sam's here as well. We are going to look at a car for AJ, so fingers crossed we get to pick up a very old school barge at a bargain. So yeah, let's go and have a look. Okay, right, so we are here. It is literally the other side of Leighton Buzzard, so it's not far to get here to pick up this old boat, and she's looking so good. She's over there, and I can't wait to go and have a proper close look at it and show you guys AJ's new barge. But it is so cool, and to be fair, the guy's got a lovely old BMW as well, so fingers crossed he's okay with me filming on the driveway. Right, so this is AJ now opening up his new beast. He's got a Volvo, I think it's a V90 sort of 960, so it is a 3 litre 6-cylinder straight 6. So let's have a little look around it, and they're just popping up the bonnet now. So the reason it's going so cheap is that there is concerns that there is a water leak. And maybe a head gasket gone, but let's have a look. All the cylinders. So I didn't even realise that Volvo made a 3 litre straight 6, so this is pretty cool. I knew they did 5 bangers, but I didn't realise they did 6 bangers. So we're just going to put the pack on it and we'll see if she's going to go. Topped on, so we just picked this up for like 90 quid. Let's see if it'll do anything. Fingers crossed, Sam. Yeah, to be fair, I did hear like a relay in the back. Have you got even a dash? Oh, go for it. Come on, Bubby. Yeah! That'll be all right. Bit of valve. Be all right. Are we? Yeah. You did check the oil level. Typical traffic in Leighton Buzzard. On the queue all bloody day. Oh, look at the size of the boot, and it's got a 10mm spanner in there. Oh god, that's heavy. Really good. Yeah, spare wheel, lovely. Oh, look at the boot. Absolutely mint. Yeah, it is a proper Aladdin's cave, isn't it? Oh, look at the suede on the back of the seats and the headrests. What a nice place to be. Electric seats. We brought the giant jug because we were a little bit worried, but actually it's got water in the header tank. What's up? Is there? Oh. It's a bit milky. Right, so AJ and Sam have gone and got the car. They're in it now. So let's follow them back. Why are we stopping? Oh yeah, in the boot. These trade plates are going on before we reach national roads. So it's shitting coolant everywhere. Yeah, turn it off. Yeah, turn it off, off. Up by the cemetery there was a cloud of a puff, and now there's this trail out of the car. Well, I'm guessing coolant, but it's something, but you can smell it's... But yeah, literally, as you got up there was a big puff. I don't know if you want to pop the...
Yeah, it's cream. It's cream.
Oh, is it? Put some water in it, yeah? Even if it's just, I mean, you've only got a couple of rows to get you home, but yeah, up by the cemetery there's a bit of a puff, and then it's just, I started noticing this streak, and I don't know, could you hear me like beeping the horn?
I heard the beep, like by the shop.
I mean that's quite cold, the coolant tankage. Can I open it?
Oh. Yeah, big gasket's naked. Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, that is. Well, it's bringing this one to the yard.
Yeah, let's just take it back. It'll be fine. Bit of K2.
So yeah, we've basically just pulled over because not too far down the road there was a big puff, and then it started leaking quite profusely, and we've just got to about 2 roads from work, and there is a lot of coolant in a very vanilla-y milkshake colour leaving the vehicle. So yeah, we're going to just jump start it again because it didn't want to start, and hopefully just get it back to work and then get a head gasket set ordered for it. Oh, sorry. I was about to say, do you want me to... Oh, she's smoking well. Oh, that's a lot of milk. That's so much milk. Well, that was an adventure. So yeah, we're back at work now. We're just having a quick look over it. But yeah, it's losing coolant, milky, oily coolant at quite a fast rate. So we'll have to have a look into that and see what's going on. But yeah, otherwise, really cool car.
The perfect place for a turbo as well.
Get rid of that.
Get rid of the second, yeah.
Get rid of the circulation pump.
Right next to the manifold.
Sam's just pointed out a really cool little detail in that the roof rails are actually the same colour as the body, which is mental for a vehicle of this age. I mean, we were saying about the spec, and it's AC, it's got cruise control, it's got a sunroof, it's got heated leather seats, you know, for everything's electric, all the seats are electric. It's a mega spec motor, and it's properly cool as well. The boot is cavernous. Okay, gaskets set for this £80 a minute. Right, so AJ has got the Volvo back, I'm back home, car's at work. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Is that Volvo going to be an easy fix? It looks very much like the head's got to come off and we've got to drop a new head gasket on it, but it looks like actually the head, you've got loads of access and loads of room to get it off. So let me know in the comments below what you think. Don't forget to do the like, share, subscribe. It really does help me out massively. And yeah, let's see what happens with the Volvo. See you in the next video. Bye.